Hello everyone, my name is Farrah binti Muhammad and I am from 4BAVM. Today I want to share with you all the topics of drone challenges and disruptions. The rapid growth of drone is one of the biggest issues affecting the aviation industry for decades. So what is a drone? Well, to put it simply, a drone is an aircraft without a human pilot, earning its alternate name as an unmanned aerial vehicle UAV. Today, it is still used for military purposes but is now also a consumer toy and a provider of commercial operational efficiency. However, as the number of drones flying in the sky has increased, so has the risk exposure. As it stands, the current issue with the drone is there are challenges facing the drone industry today. Drones constitute a considerable risk to main airplanes. Even though many weigh only a few pounds, the motors and other metallic equipment that power them can cause significant damage to aircraft engines, windshields and wings. It is estimated that even a small drone can cause 10 million in physical damage alone if it hits an airplane engine. This is the reason why there is a need for an identification system for drones and their operators. In the event of an incident, the aircraft may also be forced to make an emergency landing, resulting in delays or cancellations and incur significant economic losses. For example, several disruptions occurred at Gatwick Airport, London, resulting in 1,000 flight cancellations or diversions and affecting 140,000 passengers at the airport due to the use of drones. Additionally, aviation authorities such as the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) in the US has started to introduce some new rules as more people own drones. In order to comply with this upcoming regulation, drone manufacturers will need to implement solutions to embed identification capabilities on drones according to standards provided by the FAA. Drone pilots or operators must also register themselves with the FAA before they can legally fly the drone. What can drones do in the future? So, drones have long been predicted to revolutionize cargo delivery. In theory, models capable of carrying a large payload should become a more efficient alternative to light transport vehicles and helicopters serving hard-to-reach areas. Drones bring various potential benefits to the airport transport system. For example, it can be used to conduct aerial surveys of terminal buildings or provide 3D maps of runway to identify and assist maintenance work. This can be faster and safer than using people. It can also be used to rapidly detect foreign objects around airports, potentially eliminating the need to close runways as well as offering support to security by quickly identifying any threats, while also acting as an visual deterrent. An interesting use of drone is to monitor the perimeter of the field and ensure that the area is clear for aircraft to take off. However, the economic impact of commercial drone application is indisputable. The market for drone is estimated to be worth 127 billion across various industries. It should also be noted that commercial applications of drones will affect infrastructure and agriculture significantly more than commerce. In a 2016 report, Goldman Sachs estimated that drone technology will reach a total market size of 100 billion between 2016 and 2020. Although 70% of this figure will be linked to military activities, the commercial business represents the fastest growth opportunity, which is expected between 2016 and 2020. In conclusion, with changing trends, it is important that drones are built with very advanced technology. Safety measures before using drones should be taken to avoid any accidents that have occurred in recent years. Civil aviation authorities should strive to develop safe, reliable, and efficient technology to manage drones and minimize the threat posed by the drone in the sky. It is safe to say that drones are the future of air transport and cargo. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching.